So let's go to sinus, cosinus, and tangent. And actually those formulas I took from the math library. So I'm going to explain those three because they are alike. So let's try. For example, case number 6, calculate sinus 45 and sinus, let's try calculate, let's try again calculate sinus 90, that would give 1. And again, number 7, the 7th option, cosinus 45 will give this, and again cosinus 90 would give this, and again the 8th option, 8. Please enter the number of options. Let's relaunch the program. Something weird happened. Okay, option 8, tangent to 70 degrees would give this number, and again let's try. Here, for example, I chose the wrong option. Please enter the number of your options. The number of you have chosen 90 is invalid. Do you want to continue or get out of the program? And here at the end of the program, I actually have under default, I have this code which would give in C output the number you have chosen of the selection. That's a variable that I defined at the beginning, which is invalid. Then we have to break. Then we are breaking out. Otherwise, case 0 I will explain later, but let's go back to number 8 and now actually 9. Here we have to put to take the digit and get the put it in the power of another digit. So in C out again, enter the base. Let's take number 9. We enter the base of, for example, 3. And enter the exponent again, because it's the same principle all the way around. It's just another number, but it's exponent number 3, and the answer is 27. And I guess I don't know why it stands here. Just a second. Let me see. Oh, let's try again. Yes. The power, that's option number 9. And let's take 5 and 5. And that will give us 3,125. That is right. And it's also this power formula is from the library, like in a case 10, square root that we have to find. It's also from the library. We just have to intest the first number and then get the root. Let's try. Let's try square root. It's number 10. And let's take the square root of 25. That will give the answer 5. And let's try again. Y 140. Oh, 10, number of option 144. That will give 12. And that is right also. Case number 11. Convert the result from double to integer. I'm not quite sure if I did it right, but I hope it is, because if we have to round the number, then it would be pretty much something else. Because if we'll take, for example, 2.5 and then we have to round, then we'll get 3. But if we have to omit all the digits after a comma in decimal, and get the integer, for example, 2.5 will give us 2. So let's see how it is made. It's in case number 11. Enter decimal number first in C output. In C input, from the keyboard we test the number, and here is a small if statement. If the number A is not as number C, then C equals A, and that means it's a type of a typecasting, allows us to take a value that belongs to one type and cast it into another type, and then in C output it will write the number. Let's try it. 11. Oh, too bad, that's not true, because I put please enter the number of your option, and the number of option is 11. Enter decimal number 23, and your whole number is 23 right over here. That works. And case 0, I just wrote exit success, because if it would be exit failure, then it means that the program is not working, and then it will break out of it. As I explained a little bit before, if we have to choose the number of options but it's not in the menu, then it would tell us that the number you've chosen is invalid, as it is not on this menu. And at the very end, we input indicate, and we make a little if statement with a logical operator. If the indicator is small n or big N, then we'll break out of the program. For example, we say yes here. That means that we can still continue. Let's choose an option. Okay, but if we'll say no, like it's here, then we'll break out of the program and we won't be able to continue again. Let's say and that's it. The program does not run anymore, and it also stands as a gray area here. Finished running calculator also here. So, but we can run again. And at the end of the program, after we are closing for loop, we have to write return 0. It's because the main function returns 0 at the end, and then we are closing the main function. And that's it.